Hello everyone. So friends, in our previous lecture we saw the demonstration of the never method. So friends, here we simply verified that save was never called. So friends, sometimes a situation may come that we want to verify that on book repository no interactions were made. So let's say we have this save method and let's say we have some other methods. And if we want to verify that after performing any operation on the class under test, we want to verify that no interactions were made on any of the method of the book repository, then Mockito provides certain methods to verify that also. So friend, let's suppose in our book service, here let's suppose I provide a method as update price, and here I provide, let's say, a string book ID updated price. So friend, what we are performing in this method is we are given a book ID. So for that particular book, we simply want to update the price. So friend, let's suppose we do book repository dot find book by ID. We pass in the book ID, and let's say this method returns as a book. So friend, currently in book repository this method is not present. So let's say we create this method. So in the interface we have this method. So friends, here we got this book. Now what we do is we do book dot set price. We pass the updated price, and let's say we again call the save method and we provide a book to it. So here, based on the book ID, we first fetch the book and then we simply updated the price of the book, and finally we save the book. So we are simply updating the price using the book service update price method. So friend, let's say here I create a test. And let's say I give the test name as test update price. So here we are calling book service dot update price. Let's say we provide the book ID to be 1234, and let's say I provide the price to be 600. So this would be our updated price. So friends, here if you see, first this book repository find book by ID will be called and it will return as a book. So we need to stub this method out and then we'll save the book. So friend, here if you see, in a successful scenario, find book by ID will be called and save will be called on the book repository. So here two interactions will be made in the successful scenario. So friend, let's suppose here I provide a condition as if book ID is null, then either I can throw an exception or I can simply return. So friend, the exception handling we can discuss in our upcoming lectures, but here let's suppose if the book ID is null, then don't update the price, simply return. So why I have placed this condition here is, in our book service test, let's say I provide the book ID to be null. So friends, here we know that when we'll call the update price method, and as we are passing the null, so we are returning from this method. But here, how we can verify that on the book repository, find book by ID and save hasn't been called. So for that, what we can do is, here we have a method as verify no interactions. So this method takes in a mock object. So here we simply provide book repository. So friends, if I run the test case now, you can see test case got executed successfully. And what we verified actually is, when we called update price method with a null value as book ID, we simply asked Mockito that please verify that no interactions were made on the book repository. So here when the update price method got executed, it simply returned from this point and no interactions are made on the mock object. So therefore we can verify such scenarios using verify no interactions method. So in this lecture we saw the demonstration of verify no interactions method to simply verify that no interactions were made on the mock object. I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.